Alright guys, I got the rigger out here. I got 3 battery packs. Hopefully we'll have enough time to run all 3. We're going to try a 3S high voltage pack, a 4S regular HP pack, and then another 4S high voltage pack. I'm going to run the 3S pack first just to get a feel for it, and I'm probably going to run one 4S pack with the turn fin and then one 4S pack without the turn fin, just to see what kind of speeds we can get out of this thing. So I'm going to go ahead and get it all put together. For the first test, we're going to be running a 15-15 ABC prop. All right, got the little hatch all put on, a little bit of extra tape just for shits and giggles. Good deal. All right, let's go ahead and throw it in the water. Looks like I've got a little bit of grass out there I need to watch for. All right, this is 3S high voltage pack. She boot scooting boogies, y'all. Full trigger, full trigger, full trigger, full trigger, full trigger, full trigger. Whoa! Oh, she broke. Whoa! Oh, she broke. Something flew off. Something flew off over there. I don't know what flew off, but something flew off. Oh no! Oh no! My fancy turn fin broke off! No! That's no bueno! Look at all the grass! Oh my god! That's so bad! Oh shit! Damn it! Well, Fred, your turn fin carbon fiber turn fin bracket said no more, no more. Can't handle the power, baby. No more power, baby. Okay, well, that was a 3S run. I guess it's probably got a little bit of juice left in it. I'm just gonna continue to run it. I don't know if I can probably find my turn fin over there once the pond goes down. Let's see. This will give me an idea here. Running without the turn fin. Yeah, it definitely doesn't like to turn. Yikes! Yep, there's definitely no slowing it down without a turn fin. Okay, not bad, not bad. It's as a missile without the turn fin on it. Okay, let's go ahead, turn the steering dual rate up. All right, I think we got a pretty good idea as far as speed is concerned. All right, go ahead, bring it in, and we'll check the speed. Whew. That's a bummer. I lost my damn turn fin I liked. Oh well. All right, let's go ahead and open it up. Let's see what we got. Yeah, I got a little bit of grass on the back there. Not bad, not bad. Okay, I gotta formulate a better game plan. I just want enough. Let's go ahead and lift this out. Holy crap! 65 miles an hour on 3S. That's pretty insane right there. That is pretty insane. Unfortunately, on the way over here, I was thinking to myself, I said, I don't think I grabbed my my temp gun, but it's not that hot. I mean, it's probably like typical 125 degrees, but I can hold my hand on that no problem. So I'm gonna go ahead and let this cool down before we make a second pass. At least I got my bottle, I can run some water through it. 3S pack was drained down to 3.76, 3.77, so not bad. Cut it off right there in the nick of time. So I'm going to go ahead and let this cool down for about 15 minutes before we run one of the 4S packs. I think what I'm going to try, since we're going for speed, I want to try this pack here because I might run out of daylight. So I'm going to try this pack first, and then if we have any time left, I'll run this pack to see if we get any variations in overall top speed. Because 65 on 3S is insane, absolutely insane. So I'm really excited to try the 15-15 on 4S without a turn fin, unfortunately, since it broke. Alright, it's been about 15 minutes. Went ahead, stuck the high voltage 4S pack in here. Let's go ahead, zero this out, hit start, record. Okay, that'll be good like so. We'll go ahead and tape the hatch on. Alright, this is time for its first ever 4S speed pass without a turn fin on it. Let's get it. I'm honestly expecting this thing to fly or fall apart. Got a lot of nose weight with that 4S pack in it. Hey. Come on, baby. It's about as far as this receiver likes to go. Ooh. That was unique. Okay, gotta go get it. Alright, I went and got it. Honestly, it's fine. There's no temp up here. Everything's nice and cool. Because the ESC's on the side, you can feel it. So I think we're honestly good to give it another go. But it does not like to turn without a turn fin, boy. Oh my God. Alright, let's try to see this. Oh, fish jump. That was a good lick. That was a good lick. I need to let it cool off. Need to let it cool off. Because we're just making those short passes, I think it's probably not harming it. Also, the 1.5 pitch isn't as aggressive as the 1.6 pitches, so it shouldn't be too bad. Go nice and easy. Turn and full throttle this bad boy. Come on. Woo. She just does not like to turn. Oh, that was it. LVC. That's good. Thought I noticed it. Cool. We'll go ahead and stop there. Let's see what we got without a turn fin. Hey, 74 miles an hour ain't bad, baby. Ain't bad at all. Let's feel the motor. That motor. It's not even hot, dude. Oh my God. Definitely can go up to a bigger prop now. I wanted to test that theory. So that's what we'll do. Since we got 74 with a 15-15, I don't know if I brought, I'm like just realizing now that I'm missing a lot of stuff. So I do have a 40 by 1.6. So that's what we'll put on next. And we'll run the HP pack with the 4016. But I'm going to go ahead and let it cool down. And we'll run that here in a bit. So here's the pack that I just took out. 3.85, 3. See what I mean about these packs being very even? So all these are within like 0.02 of one another. 0.2 of a volt. Or maybe, what is that? That's 10, that's 100, 2/100ths of a volt. So that's not bad. It's not terribly hot. Doesn't have any swelling, no puffing. And I actually have this set on 3.2, which under load ends up being, that's what it cuts off at. So you don't want it to drop it below 3.2 under load. So I have my shut off on the Kraken set at 3.2. All right, time for the final run. We've got the 4016 on there, CNC prop. We've got the 2200 4S HP pack in there. Let's go ahead and get it all taped up. Okay, 4S speed run pass. Let's see it. See if it runs straight, more or less. Had to get off of it, it was skipping. Come on, baby. Oh, might run out of reception out there. All right, that's enough. That was a squeeze of a trigger right there, boy. That was a long, long hit. I could tell she was pulling it down. Without no cat pack on this thing, you can really tell. You don't want to hurt the battery. Okay, I'm just going to pick it up and see how hot she is. Because that prop may make a big difference. Honestly, based on what I'm feeling, she's not even hot, dude. Holy crap. Not even hot. Not even hot. I do have another prop I wanted to try, and I feel like it may be overkill, but it's this one right here. This is a 41 by 1.7. It's like a D-tongue prop. I'm kind of curious to try to run it. I don't know. What do y'all think? I think we should try it, because right now we already have whatever speed this prop put on the boat, and theoretically we should be able to physically see if that prop's going to be faster. So rather than not, let's just go ahead and do it. It ain't going to hurt nothing. All right, well, since we're running out of daylight, I said why not? I think we've got enough room. We'll clear it. So let's go ahead and throw it in the water. All right, 4117. This is the original prop that came on the Impulse 32. Whoa! I'd say she's a missile. I'd say she's a missile. She runs really cool, like good off the get, you know. Wow. I was only about half throttle. Whoo-wee, she's flying. I'm gonna say she's faster with this prop. I'm gonna do one more pass, then we're gonna bring it in. Come on, baby, turn, turn, turn. Still hadn't hit LVC yet, so that's good. All right, let's see. She's not even hot, y'all. Oh my God. Not even breaking a sweat. Like there's no heat there whatsoever. No heat at the battery either. That's great. Like that's great. Oh my God. Okay. I have a 3816 here. I just want to try it because maybe KV wise, smaller prop, it'll make it rev up. We'll see. All right, just for shits and giggles to drain the battery all the way down, let's try the 3816. Come on, baby, turn. That was it. I don't know. Next time out, I'm going to try this 3816. Yikes. She's fast. She is fast. All right, let's go ahead and bring it in and just see. Probably got the battery at 3.6 at this point. She was a little ripper. She was a little ripper. That's amazing. I'm impressed at how cool it is. Like 3S, it got warmer than it did on 4S. All right. Good deal. Nice and smooth. Let's open it up and check our speed. Running out of daylight, guys. 75. Okay. So we are 1 mile an hour faster with a different prop on it. So next time what we're going to do is we're going to run this prop here, which is the 4117, and we're going to run the 3816 because I believe one of these props are faster. And I don't know. 75 mile an hour ain't bad, you know. Don't really know what else I could do. I guess I could shorten the rudder, probably take this off. I might be getting a little bit of residual drag from it, but other than that, 75 mile an hour ain't bad. I just got to keep playing around with it. I really need my temp gun. Wow, that's amazing. It's not even hot. Like none of it's hot. Like 4S is the way to go, man. That's insane. Insane. Okay, well, I've got 3 4S packs, so the next time we come out here, we're going to bust all 3 of the 4S packs out here. I just got to take a 15-minute interval in between to make sure that the middle center part of the motor is cooled down. All right, let's go ahead and pull that battery out and check the voltage. All right, this is the first time I've ever run this 4S pack. That one's brand new. 3.81, 3.80. Okay, good deal. It's actually not as hot as the other pack, but I really don't know why. But 80C versus 75C, I don't really know if it makes that much of a difference, but cool. Well, the sun has gone down and the place is getting dark, guys. So hope y'all enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Make sure you give the video a thumbs up. See y'all on the next one. Peace.